LBC. Welcome to Love Lines.
Dito na ni. Dito sa cellphone mo.
Sa inyo
Claim po.
item.
Item. Agnes B. Ayan. Hanapin din. Claim. ID. Isang maliit na kahon. Magian na kahon yun ng sombrero. Okay, so bilis lang dito. 11:30. Dito na ako sa bahay and susunod na natin ang unboxing soon. Unboxing ano natin tong mahiwagang sombrero. Next. Yan, kumaalog. What's in the bags? Alam na natin yan. So, I'll see you soon. Okay, bubuksan na natin ito. Ay, nasa na yung gunting? Kinuha ko pa lang yung gunting kanina. Alright, ito yung scissors. Let's open. Open na natin yan. Tada! Chadol. Oops. The challenge. Okay, there you will have it. Alright. Ayan. Ang kanyang mahiwagang sombrero. Mahiwagang sombrero. You know what's inside? Ito yun. Okay, let's check. Check. Ito na yung kanyang additional dito sa kanyang collection ng sombrero. Okay. Look. Ano siya? Orlando Magic. Orlando Magic. Alright, so that's all. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is Love Lines. Have a good day. God bless and forget God loves you. You're God's beautiful creation. Magic na yan. Magic. Model ba ng sombrero? Hindi pwedeng isuot kasi baka madumihan. So that's it. May size pala ang cup. Alright. Once again. Kukunin ko na to. Dadagdag natin ito dito. Ay, hindi yata kasya. Try ko kung magkakasya pa. One more. Ayan. Lalagay ko dito sa likod siguro si Magic. Magic. Lalagay ko dito sa likod. Kung siya ay magkakasya. Yun, kasya. Kahit dalawa pa kasya. Alright. So dito, 4 na sila. Yung cardinals at nasa ang kanilang leader. Cardinals ang leader. Alright. See. Okay. You're there. Mission accomplished. Okay. Mission accomplished. Ayun na sila. At, yeah. And by the way, shout out to all the Love Lines Galaxy of Super Love Stars, to the Moon family, Abs family, Snow family, and to my Super Love friends. Maraming salamat din sa lahat ng mga patuloy na sumusuporta at nanonood sa aking mga videos. Hindi mo ganyan pagkatakin ko ah. Anyway, thank you so much everyone. Maraming salamat. Kamsahamnida, salamnida, terima kasih, gracias, Dios mabalos. Kamsahamnida. Arigato. Maraming salamat sa inyong support. Maraming salamat. At Diyos na ang bahalang gumanti sa inyong kabutihan. Shout out to you all. God bless you all. Have a good day. God bless. And always remember that you are God's beautiful creation and God really loves you. See you soon, Mama.
So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Love Lines. Have a good day and God bless.